number 989898 to get your free info kit on gold IRAs from Birch Gold. Message and figure rates may flow. Patrick here for American River Flooring. Book your whole house paint project in July. You get $500 off with a minimum purchase of $5,000. They did my entire house inside and out. I couldn't be happier. American River Flooring and Painting, 916-961-6100, or go to AmericanRiverFlooring.com. First Amendment 101. You're listening to Tom Sullivan.
Welcome back. Thanks for staying on board. You're not listening to Tom Sullivan, you're listening to John McGinnis, and hopefully we'll have a chance to converse. We've got people trying to get on the lines, but we have a little bit of a telephone glitch. We're going to try something else here in a moment, but don't hesitate to try. Because there are a lot of things I want to get your thoughts on. I want to talk a little bit about the vice presidential pick as well. Senator J.D. Vance, a very, very interesting figure to be sure. This is a young man who is extraordinarily brilliant. I don't think his most ardent critic could deny that. He has evolved on things. Obviously, he has changed his opinions and beliefs and conclusions on various things over the years, even in his very young life, from being a quote, never Trumper, and sharing some particularly hostile and beyond attitudes about the 45th president and now his running mate. So that represents a huge evolution unto itself. He also has evolved. I mean, from a religious perspective, he's embraced several different religions and faiths over the years, and that's, again, I think many people will see that as open-mindedness, which is good, and probably a product of an abundance of intellect. It also, I think, can be criticism and some legitimate question as to where, when you look at where he's traveled the last 10 years, where will he be 10 years going forward? I don't think that's an unreasonable question for people to ask. But what I go back to is his profound intellect, and he's got a very, very effective communication style. Some of the things he has posited publicly have been rather harsh, but again, my sense is that he will continue to, I think he'll be part of the new spirit and the perhaps more genteel tone going forward. So the reality is, looking at him in terms of the policies and philosophies that he embraces today, he is vastly different than President Trump. He seems to be more of a, you hear the term Reagan Democrat. I see Senator Vance as more of a FDR Republican. He's very much inclined to see the government as a part of the solution. I think based on his past practices and commentary, he's very pro-union, minimum wage, and so I do see a different spirit there. How that may work out, how that may play, I think politically it brings more inclusion into this ticket, and that could be a very positive thing. But the differences, I think, are real, and subject to some very very interesting opportunities on the horizon. Let's see if we can get your calls. 855-295-6600. Dr. Steve in Minnesota. Dr. Steve, are you there, sir?
I just had some comment on the security system there, which, the security system wasn't really well planned out, and I'm sure these are great people, hardworking people. Even at January 6th, they had older folks, watching there, and it seems like even at this thing where the security should be at its top level, and I think what they could do, I don't think they should fire all of those people. But I think what they could do is just reappoint them. So I think what they could do is they could take the current security system. I think they could be more competent, but not fire the people. I think they could put them. Why don't they have them for the security for the Arlington Cemetery? Because all the people are already dead there. But they could still kind of watch out.
Well, sarcasm understood. But honestly, I think there were some people. In fact, I'm not going to qualify. There were clearly some people there who performed admirably and did an incredible job. But a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. And there was some, I think, unforgivable errors that took place. And I wanted to